Assalamu alaikum everyone. Let's talk about something that many people have heard of but very few people actually understand. Hypnosis. And especially hypnosis in a therapeutic setting. Not the stage show version, not the dramatic movie version, and definitely not the exaggerated myths that have made people afraid of even trying it. Today, I want to talk to you calmly and clearly about what hypnosis actually is, how it works, why it's used in therapy, and whether it's safe for you. Because once you understand it, you'll realize it's not scary at all. It's actually one of the most gentle and natural psychological tools we have. So let's start from the beginning. Firstly, let's understand what you think hypnosis is and what it is actually not. Most people hear the word hypnosis and immediately imagine something dramatic: a person losing control, a therapist swinging a watch, someone becoming unconscious, someone being forced to reveal secrets. All of this is fiction. Real hypnosis, the one used in psychotherapy, is nothing like that. There is no control, no manipulation, no mind reading, no loss of consciousness, no magical influence. You are fully aware, fully awake, and fully in charge. If you have ever feared that someone will take over your mind, that's not how clinical hypnosis works. So let's figure out what is hypnosis. Hypnosis is simply a state of focused attention. That's it. It's the same state you naturally enter when you are driving and suddenly realize you don't recall a part of the road. You are so absorbed in a book that you don't hear someone call your name. You are watching a movie and forget the world around you. You are thinking deeply and lose track of time. These are all mild hypnotic states. Your mind goes inward. Your awareness sharpens and the outside world becomes softer. In therapy, we guide you into this relaxed but focused state intentionally because this is where the subconscious becomes more accessible, not in a scary way, but in a gentle therapeutic way. Hypnosis is the mind's natural open state. You enter it every day without even realizing. Now let's answer this. Why do therapists use hypnosis? Here's the part most people don't know. Your subconscious mind influences your thoughts, habits, fears, and emotional reactions far more than your conscious mind does. Hypnosis helps in calming anxiety, reducing overthinking, working with fears, healing inner child wounds, breaking patterns, increasing focus, emotional release, behavior change, self worth work, reframing limiting beliefs. It's not magic. It's simply accessing the part of your mind that holds your emotional memories and reactions. When that part shifts, your life shifts naturally. Now let's discuss what does hypnosis feel like. So most people expect something very dramatic, but in real life, hypnosis feels like sitting comfortably, closing your eyes, breathing slowly, letting your mind soften, listening to the therapist's voice, staying aware the entire time, feeling deeply relaxed but very present. You won't lose control, you won't fall asleep, you won't say things you don't want to say. You'll be aware of everything. You can open your eyes anytime, you can stop the process anytime. Think of it as meditation, but guided by someone trained to help your mind shift gently. Now, let me answer one of the biggest questions: is hypnosis safe? Here's the truth. Yes, hypnosis is completely safe when done by a trained hypnotherapist or psychologist. It is recognized worldwide in clinical psychology and mind body medicine. But what makes it safe? You are always in control. You cannot be forced to believe or do anything. Your subconscious mind only accepts suggestions aligned with your values. If something doesn't feel right, your mind automatically rejects it. Hypnosis is not mind control, brainwashing, supernatural, something religiously forbidden, something that crosses moral boundaries, something that invades your privacy. It is simply a deep state of relaxation where your inner mind is more open to positive change. The safety lies in the fact that you are always the one choosing. Why people notice fast results with hypnosis? When you are awake and alert, your mind has layers, walls, resistances, fears, overthinking. But when you are relaxed, the subconscious opens more easily. This allows for deeper emotional insights, faster release of past fears, quick formation of new beliefs, easier habit change, reduced mental resistance. It's not a shortcut, it's a different route, a more direct route. Hypnosis is like talking to the part of your mind that actually makes the decisions. Now, let me tell you how hypnosis helps in therapy. In the kind of work I practice, hypnosis isn't a separate activity. It is woven into therapy in a very grounded, structured way. We use it to revisit emotional experiences safely, change old patterns, work with childhood memories, relax the nervous system, release stored emotions in the body, rewrite limiting beliefs, create new associations, build confidence, calmness, and clarity. Hypnosis helps reduce the noise of conscious fear and deepen the clarity of inner truth. This is why it works especially well for anxiety, stage fear, OCD related stress, emotional overwhelm, self worth wounds, fear of abandonment, inner critic, overthinking, and much more. It gives your mind the space to heal without pressure. Now, let me tell you, hypnosis is not recommended for people with active psychosis, severe dissociation, hallucinations, certain neurological conditions. But for most people, hypnosis is gentle, supportive, and beneficial. One of the most asked question is hypnosis haram? No, it's not. Hypnosis is not spiritual in itself. It does not involve spirits, energies, or supernatural influence. It is simply a psychological state like relaxation, meditation, mindfulness, deep focus. And of course, what matters is the intention. If your intention is healing, clarity, emotional well being, and understanding yourself, there is nothing impermissible about it. Hypnosis is a tool, just like therapy, just like medicine, just like breath work. So your mind remains in your control the entire time. Should you try hypnosis? If your life is affected by emotional patterns you don't fully understand, if your fears feel deeper than logic, if your mind feels cluttered, if your body reacts before your thoughts do, hypnosis can help you create safe space inside yourself. It helps you reach the layer where the real healing needs to happen. And when done gently, professionally, and ethically, the experience can bring profound clarity. Hypnosis is not about losing control, it's about finally gaining it. It's about understanding the deeper part of your mind that has been running your fears, your patterns, and your reactions for years. You don't have to be scared of it, you don't have to feel hesitant, you don't have to imagine something dramatic. It's safe, it's gentle, and it's simply a conversation with your deeper self. If you feel called to explore this tool in a guided, professional, safe space, I'm here for you, guiding you home to yourself.